At the property, White Road. This is the lot along the fence for the house that's right behind your property. So this is the property. Tall grass, beautiful mountains. That's the house. So right here is probably reserved for the future road. This is the neighbor across the street. This is White Road, looking for Mama Lola Highway. It's the rest of the lots. Not where you can really walk through it. It's all pasture grass. This is a graveled area. It's a little over an acre. And I know you have the map already with the measurements. So you're on lot 9, which would be right here. Beautiful spot, as you